Hi everybody, welcome back to Heat 60 Hotshot Adventures. Thanks for coming back. So, got lazy a couple days ago and was hand cranking my trailer off the truck and on the truck and etc. I was like, you know what, gotta be a better way to do this. And of course on YouTube there's a million of these videos. So took the nut and bolt off the handle. This is a 9/16 standard socket with a 3/8 inch end. I drilled it out. I don't know, I think it was like a 3/16 hole I drilled in it. So there I can come over to my bag. I got my drill driver, the 1/2 inch. That's going to be for my flip socket that I can use this on, like the stabilizers and stuff on travel trailers or lug nuts, whatever it ends up being. Then we got, you know, the drill with the 3/8 in there. I threw it on the it's on 20, the clutch of 1. So now I can wind it down, flip it around, jack it up, and that just kind of stays on there with that little clip. I've been using the drill to, we finally lost the bar. I used to drill the hole, and I've run the jack up and down a couple of times already between clutches 1 and 2. It will go down with number 2. Really, it's like, it like whips down. It's actually quite ridiculous. Here, we'll flip it on the 2 and we'll wind it down. Yep, that was up. Like, that's ridiculous. But I use a 1 to wind it up. Not slow, but it's also, it's not slow going up. It's a little slower going up on 1 clutch than obviously 2, but I figure 2 is too much strain on it. I'm not trying to burn up the drill, even though it's brushless and it can probably do it. But anyway, works good. So that was the mod for today was this on the jack. And I threw the handle with the bolt that came out in the box in case something happens. I can at least put it back on and still wind the jack up and down. This is just a spare socket I had laying around, so it was cheaper than going to Harbor Freight and buying the electric jack that, you know, I could just wire into all the electrical down here with the 7-pin and stuff. I don't think I'm going to be able to show you. I put a big box under there because the way they wired it originally, everything came in this box with a bunch of little wire nuts and it was annoying. Anyway, 9/16 socket. I just used a clip. I'm sure you could have drilled it out and used any other different type of pin or nut and bolt, whatever you wanted to use. That's just what I had laying around, and it was free. Otherwise, the Harbor Freight jack was like $159 to having a simple electric jack with a simple switch on it, which is definitely still going to be slower than using this. However, I don't know how well this will wind that jack up and down. If I were to have, if this trailer had capacity in it, like, you know, an ATV or a side-by-side, I don't know how well it will work. But that's what we got done today, guys. We'll catch you later.